Welcome to Zoho Projects. This training series is designed to guide you through how to use Zoho Projects effectively as part of your daily work activities. Zoho Projects is a centralized project management platform that enables teams to plan, track, collaborate, and deliver work efficiently within a single system. It combines task management, time tracking, document storage, reporting, and team communication in one unified workspace. The purpose of using Zoho Projects is to create consistency, transparency, and accountability across all project-related activities within the organization. This system is used by project managers, team leads, and team members to manage tasks, monitor project progress, track time spent on work, report issues, and collaborate with colleagues. Zoho Projects allows users to manage tasks through lists, Kanban boards, and Gantt charts, providing multiple ways to visualize and track work. It also enables structured communication through comments, feeds, chats, and discussion forums, reducing dependency on emails and external tools. Let's begin by looking at how to access and log in to Zoho Projects. Login, System Access, and Home Dashboard. To begin using Zoho Projects, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type projects.zoho.com and press Enter. You will now see the Zoho sign-in page. Enter your registered work email address in the email field and click on Next. On the next screen, enter your password and select Sign In. If your organization uses Microsoft or Google Single Sign-On, you can choose the appropriate option instead of entering a password. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification step by entering the code sent to your device. Once authentication is successful, you will be logged into Zoho Projects. If you are part of multiple portals, select the correct project portal to continue. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.